Did you make it?
No. But...
Did you catch anything?
No. But we can try again. Ready?
Did you make it?
Almost there.
Did you catch anything?
Nope. Nope.
Try again, huh?
Uh-huh.
Are you fishing in the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
But look, there is no hook. See? It's just bow tie.
Ah, just bow ties.
So she caught a hair clip.
You caught a hair clip. Good
There's
job.
only hair clips
Okay.
to put weight on them.
Bye.
Fishing